Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the Facebook ads reports. So reports is going to be a feature which you can use in the Facebook ads account. So once we start running Facebook ads, guys, there is a lot of data which we get to see in the account in terms of clicks, impressions, conversions data, the spend which is happening on the Facebook ads account. There will be a lot of data which we would need to analyze. And it becomes very important for us to understand this data so that we can understand what's happening in the account, what changes needs to be made, what things are not working, what are working. All these things becomes easier when we do a lot of data analysis. And for that purpose, we can make use of reports. So with the help of Facebook ads reports, you can download data in different formats and then you can analyze. So Facebook has created this feature wherein you can go to the report section and you can segment data in different views, and then you are able to export it, download it, and then you can do an analysis of it. So let's have a look at this, guys, how you can use this feature. So once we are inside our Facebook ads account, we can go to the left panel where we go to ads reporting. So here we will be able to create different types of reports. So you can create a new report from here. They also have some other suggestions related to personalized insights and exports we'll also have a look at. So first, let's look at how we can create a report out here. So this is how it looks like, wherein we can either look at the data in a pivot table, or we can do a line chart or a bar chart. So let's look at a pivot table data. So here, the first thing which you can do is, so there are different rows or metrics which automatically by default, which Facebook gives us, which you can also customize and remove if you want to. So each of these which you don't want to see, you can simply go ahead and remove that column very easily. So this way we can customize these columns. And if you want to add new columns, then a lot of metrics or options which are given on the right hand side, which you can also select from. So here in this manner, you can go ahead and add new metrics like this and add new columns. So you can customize this whole report as per your requirement. So let's look at some data and based on which we can analyze further. So now we can see we are looking at two different campaigns with their ad sets and their data, which you can see out here. Now, this report can be converted into different formats. You can name this report first, okay, in this particular manner. And then you can go ahead and save it as well, and you can use it later. You can also filter the data by other metrics which you want to. Right now, we are filtering this data by ad delivery, which means the campaigns which has data in it, wherein the ads have run. You also get a date range option over here. So you can select different date range and you can see data for that particular time period. Other than that, if you want to go ahead and make some changes to the way the report looks like, you can also go ahead and change this to other reports like a trend in this specific manner, as you can see out here. Or we can also move it to a bar option, as you can see. Now this can again be, you can club this with the data as well. So if you go on data table, then both of these will come together. So you will have the chart, the bar chart, plus the metrics as we were looking at. So these are various options which you can certainly use, and you can analyze and you can create different formats of reports out here. In addition to that, you will get multiple metrics which you can add over here if you want to, and that also shows up in the report. Now, apart from that, if you just click on customize, it will collapse the sidebar which is out here, and you can see the complete view of it in this particular way. Now, once the report has been created, it can be shared over here. You can go ahead and share a link of this report, copy the link, and you can share it with outside of the account to other users, or else you can go ahead and export it as well if you want in an image format or any other XLS format, CSV format also. So all these options will be available. Now, this is how the report has been created, and you can see we can download it also. Apart from this, you can also go ahead and use the report section for other reasons, like There will be exports option as well. So export option is where you can export the data. You can create certain reports which you would like to export out of the Facebook ads account. So you can do that. You can just select it and you can download. Personalized insights can also be given. So these are some key insights about our ads performance, which might be available from Facebook based on the kind of campaigns which we have run. So if you have a significant amount of data in terms of link clicks, impressions, conversions, data accumulated in your Facebook ads account, this particular key insights also comes out of it. So these are all the plus points of using the reports feature, guys, which will help you to analyze data in your Facebook ads campaign. And then you can understand what's happening in the account and what needs to be changed. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand this feature, how we are making use of this reports in Facebook ads platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. And I will see you in the next video.